Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. Paws licks eats the cat. So there are 5 words, and then paws is a noun, cat is a noun. So since paws is a noun and cat is a noun, either one can be the subject, but the problem is licks is the verb. Licks, which means the subject has to be singular. So cat licks, cat licks paws, cat licks paws, and whose paws? Its paws. And then the cat licks its paws. The cat licks its paws. So the cat is the subject, third person singular. That's why we have an S. Licks it. The cat licks its paws. So this one, when you pronounce this AW, pronounce as long R sound. So paw, and then this S sounds like Z. Paws. The cat licks its paws. Licks it. So this one, lick, licks, licks it, licks its paws. The cat licks its paws. Licks dog belly the it. So dog is a noun and belly is a noun. So either one can be the subject, but the thing is licks is the verb. So here licks. So let's put belly here. Belly licks dog. No, belly cannot licks. So dog licks belly. Dog licks belly. Okay, whose belly? Its belly. And then the dog licks its belly. Subject, verb, third person singular S, its belly, object. The dog licks its belly. The dog licks it. So here, in order to pronounce S, say lick, licks, licks it, licks it. The dog licks its belly, licks its belly. The dog licks its belly. The dog licks its belly. The in cat dress the lies. So this is a noun. This is a noun. So either one can be the subject, but lies is the verb. Lie down. Lie down. So grass cannot lie. So let's say cat lie. A third person singular as cat lies where? In the grass. In the grass. Cat lies in the grass. And then the cat lies in the grass. The cat lies in the grass. The cat lies. So let's pronounce this S sound. So put this together. Lies. So this S sounds like Z. Lies. And then lies in. The cat lies in the grass. The cat lies in the grass. It onto the dog rolls back. Now, back is a noun. Dog is a noun. And then the verb is rolls, R-O-L-L-S. It sounds like rolls. And then what rolls? Back cannot rolls. So dog, dog, and then the dog. The dog rolls, and then we need a preposition onto, onto its back, onto its back. The dog rolls onto its back. The dog rolls onto its back. So here, put this together. And then rolls. And then on. Rolls on to. The dog rolls onto its back. The dog rolls onto its back. One more time. The dog rolls onto its back. The dog rolls onto its back. The last one for today. Things and they. So they is the subjective case. We have to put they as the subject. and then do is the verb. Do. So this is third person, but it's plural, so you don't put does. They do what? So after do, we need an object. They do things. They do things, and then we need an adverb together. They do things together. They do things together. And then here, they do things things together. So here, things, things together. Together. They do things together. Things together. They do things together. One more time. They do things together.